Here we go.
Ay, kayang-kaya mo to,
basa?
ate. Bukod sa saging, basa.
Bukod sa saging, anong prutas pa ang karaniwang sangkap ng turon?
Ano? Oh, 5 seconds. 5 seconds! 10,000, go!
Kamote?
Ha?
Wala na po.
Hindi. 10,000 yun!
Sayang!
Wait! Do you know the answer? What is the answer? No.
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't answer?
I don't know, ma'am.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit? Jackfruit? Tinuruan nyo eh. Jackfruit ba? Langka? Langka ba? Tama ba yan? Ligyan natin. Tama ba ang jackfruit? Langka. Ang English mo ng langka, jackfruit?
Yes.
5,000! O, di ba? Sayang, oh. We will change that later, okay? You don't need that. Do you need the money? You don't need the money.
Give it to the little lady.
Can we give it to someone?
Oh, bibigay ko sa inyo. That's so nice. Palapakan nyo. Oh, di ba ang mabait? Thank you. What?
Backstage! She's sick. My son is in the backstage. She's sick.
Oh, the son is sick.
Yeah, yes. Tears, yes. Yes.
Oh. Okay. Where's your son?
Nasa labas po kasi alam po sa may backstage.
Ang yan?
Oo ba?
Oh, can you join her? Or you give the money? Okay, samahan mo siya. Oh, yeah. Go. Samahan mo. Go. Join her. Samahan mo, Delita. Okay. Yan. Oh, ayun yung anak niya. Ano pangalan ng kanyang ano? Okay, wait ha.
Juan Gabriel po.
Okay, pasalamatan mo siya. Yan, yung ano, yung Americana.
This is for you. I hope it helps you get better.
Oh. So nice.
Can I give him a hug?
Ano gusto? Donita, mayasa tayong bata. Oh, wow. So nice. She's so nice.
Salamat po.
Ano gusto mo sabihin sa kanya? What's her name?
Thank you. You're good.
Emily. Si Miss Emily yan, yung Americana.
Emily, salamat. Thank you. Thank you, Emily.
Donita yung anak niya. Ano gusto sabihin? Anong pangalan ng anak mo? Anong pangalan?
Juan Gabriel.
What's your name?
Juan Gabriel po.
Bong. Bon? Oh, you tell Miss Emily what do you want to tell her now?
Thank you po. More blessing.
Oh, thank you so much. Wow. All right. Thank you very much, Emily. Come on.
Thank you, Emily.
Okay, you can join us here. Thank you. Sige, upo muna siya. Palapakan niyo si Miss Emily. Oh. So nice, huh? Thank you so much. You're so nice and kind.